What's up guys, it's Billy on Air here today and I'm going to be making magic mud stuff. So what you're going to need is three cups of corn flour. I don't think it really matters what corn flour you use. So I'm going to open up the bag here, like that. I'm going to get 3 cups.
Tipped a bit on the table.
Lost a bit.
Yep.
1, 2. 2. Oh, it smells like it too. It actually. And 3.
Anything about it, Billy?
And now you're going to want 1 cup of water. Just like that. This is really quick by the way, and that's it. Oh. And you mix it up. It's warm.
Can I try mixing it up, Billy?
Hang on. Okay, it's going a bit everywhere here. I think I need more water. It's all crumbly. What have we done? Okay,
can I please try mixing
I'm
it?
putting a bit more water. Like, I don't know. I'm just going to do another cup of water.
You don't want it to be too crumble. I mean, too water.
Oh, stuff is weird. What's the name for this? We got a name for it, like magic mud?
Magic mud.
But you have a look here.
Can I try mixing it,
If
Billy?
you lift it up and you squeeze it really tight, it all goes all crumbly, and then you let it just go, and it's all slime. Alright, and you don't have to, but if you want to, you can add a bit of colour. That's what I'm going to do.
So that's what it feels like.
It's a bit messy. Maybe a bit of pink. I don't know how much. I'm just going to start with a bit here in the lid. There we go. Put this down here. Oh god, it's all over my hand.
Looks like blood.
Okay. Mix through. Oh no, I hit my t-shirt.
I got the feeling there.
Right. Mine's a bit watery, so I'm going to add a bit more corn flour.
I'm gonna just wash my hands.
No, not this will be fine. I don't know how much you this is where you just kind of got to do it until kind of right, you know, can't really guarantee anything. Just got to wing it a little bit to get it right.
Mommy, can you
But you
please?
should be able to hold it in a ball, and then when you just like squeeze it really hard and then you just let it go and it all melts.
Squeeze it really
So
hard.
that, hang on, get it. So it's kind of squishy and then you just let it go and it melts. Really fun to play with. It's like, and then, that's pretty good consistency, just like that. Look at that, yeah, see that? It's like a ball, sort of, just not round. And then it just melts immediately. But anyway,
yeah, I got some from your hands, Billy.
anyway, yeah, you should try this at home. It's really fun to play with. Give it a bit of colour. It's definitely going to get messy. And yeah, I'll see you next video.